Kumusta uli dyan kumusta uli mga karitim dyan? At ito may reaction video yung gagawin na naman ako dito sa ating paboritong bandang Franz Rhythm. At ang kakantahin nila ay Spirit in the Sky by Norman Greenbaum. Ito ay kakantahin siguro, ang kakanta malamang si Char kasi nasa gitna na naman siya. Okay po, umpisa natin. Parang sa loob ng bahay nila to yung dati nilang jajabingan pag nagre-recordan. Hindi doon sa music room nila yung pinagawa nila.
Gonna go to the place that's the best. When I lay me down to die, going up to the spirit in the sky, going up to the spirit in the sky. That's where I'm gonna go when I die. When I die and they lay me to rest, I'm gonna go to the place that's the best. Prepare yourself, you know it's a must. Gotta have a friend in Jesus. So you know that when you die, He's gonna recommend you the spirit in the sky. Oh, He'll recommend you the spirit in the sky. That's where you're gonna go when you die. When you die, they lay you to rest. You're gonna go to the place that's the best.
Si Dudes din, super galing na eh.
Never been a sinner, I never sinned. Gotta have a friend with Jesus. So you know that when I die, He's gonna set me up with a spirit in the sky. Oh, He set me up with a spirit in the sky. That's where I'm gonna go when I die. When I die and they lay me to rest, I'm gonna go to the place that's the best. Go to the place that's the best. Go to the place that's the best.
Galing ni Chen. Walang sablay si Chen. Magaling. Yun. Galing talaga. Yan. Dudes.
Here at Friends Rhythm Channel.
Bang. Galing. Saan ka pa? Sa Franz Rhythm na. Talagang magaling. Gagaling talaga. Galing tong mga yung bandang to. Galing ng adlib ni Chen. Galing din ng keyboard ni Char. Ang galing din ng bass ni daddy nila. Ang galing ng drums ni Dudes. Silang lahat magaling. Saan ka pa? Dito sa ating number one banda. Cover band na Franz Rhythm. Okay po. Thank you sa panonood sa channel ko at yung mga hindi pa nag-subscribe dyan, paki-subscribe naman sa channel ko. Okay. Hanggang sa susunod muli. Kita-kita tayo. Bye muna ngayon.